Welcome to Zen All Week, the key to mindfulness, contentment, and better living. Let's take a moment to breathe.
In the 18th century, a Zen master named Hakuin Ikaku posed a question that would become one of the most famous koans in history. We all know the sound of two hands clapping. This koan asks the deep question: what is the sound of one hand clapping? For centuries, this seemingly simple question has challenged seekers of wisdom. Many approach it as a riddle to be solved through cleverness or wordplay. But in Zen Buddhism, a koan is not a puzzle with a fixed answer. It's a tool to exhaust the rational mind and reveal something beyond conceptual thinking. When a teacher assigns this koan, the student might spend months or even years contemplating it. They return regularly to present their understanding, often to be met with rejection. This koan, as well as many others, points to direct experience beyond our conceptual frameworks. Our language and logic divide the world into dualities: sound and silence, self and other, question and answer. What is the sound of one hand clapping? Invites us to experience reality before these divisions, before we separate the world into this and that. The true answer cannot be spoken or written. It can only be demonstrated through direct experience. Perhaps the real question is, who is it that truly hears the sound of one hand clapping?
Please share the wisdom. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss further pearls to profit from with Zen all week.